TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. Dow Industrials are down 86. You have the Nasdaq off 28. S&Ps are down 8.5. We have the gold contract up $1.50, trading at $1,061. Silver up a penny at $13.86. You got platinum up $12.50 at $8.84. The copper market giving back a couple pennies. We are at $2.11. Light sweet crude wants to go after those lows. Trading down 14 cents this morning, 36.47. Bond market. The bond market just refuses to go down, folks. You have the 10-year right now up 10 ticks, 125.30. The 30-year up 19 ticks, 153.27. Now, both the 10 and the 30 never reached their lowest swing point, even with the downdraft of the past 4 days. What that sets up, it sets up that bonds continue to want higher price, lower yield. That in the context that we know that the Fed already went up on short-term rates. Bottom line, looks like there's more demand than supply in the bond market. King dollar. King dollar's up 236 ticks at 98.59. The euro is at 108, and the yen's trading at 120.30. The S&P out here looks like for the year it's going to be slightly in the negative. If we go over to the Dow Industrials, what you're going to see out here, folks, is that we continue since last May to have lower highs in this market, and it's substantial. When we went topside on Monday, bottom line, it couldn't even take out the last high that was generated out here from December 17th. From that point on, you give it up, and you give it up in spades. The markets overseas also gave it up, meaning when I say gave it up, is that they went up on Monday, they gave everything back Wednesday, and Europe, the FTSE 100 in the UK gave it back today. The DAX is not opened. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line with gold is that it's trading out at 1061. And what you do have, we have 3 higher lows now in gold. Bottom line is that they've been trying to smack it down, haven't been successful just yet. Today is a big day. The reason today is a big day is that this is like a Friday in the markets, because what we do have is that our markets are going to close. The markets across the world are going to close. Next trade is going to be in Australia on Sunday night. And bottom line, gold is holding up. So gold at 1061 still wants to run up to this 1088.30 mark. Silver is weak. Silver is continuing to try to get inside the $14 area. It's crawling up there. It got the $13.96 today. Bottom line, we'll see whether it can make it inside that $14 area. In order to get the higher price, though, it has to get inside there because that is a much higher range that it's trading in. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? Bottom line with King dollar, looks like it's doing a small ABC structure on the way down. We're at 98.59 right now, and King dollar, the lowest swing point, we have 97.22. That was the lowest swing from the December 15th area. I suspect we're actually going to get into the October 15th area, which is down at the 94 area. Now, if we go over to bonds and we look at bonds, it's just pretty amazing. The 10-year bond out here is moving higher today, and it has some juice. We're at the 125.29. 10-year wants to run up to this 127.10. We'll see whether it wants to run to the highs. The 30-year looks like it wants to run to the highs, and there's no doubt that's counterintuitive as to what fundamentally we think would happen with bonds. But bottom line is that people are buying bonds, and more than likely what that has to do with is that there's a shift on with money coming more than likely either out of the market or just out of banks going into bonds. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. Or you can visit everbank.com/TFNN. I want to wish everyone a happy new year, great new year, make it a prosperous new year, healthy new year. And we do appreciate you growling and prowling with us each and every day right here. Next update, 2016. See you next year, folks. Have a great one and have a safe one.
It's true. Life is all about choices. At Everbank, they're making it easy for you to make a smart one with this special cash offer. Open a new yield pledge money market account with funds from another financial institution, or deposit new funds into an existing yield pledge money market account, and you could earn up to a $500 cash reward. And if you're opening a new account, you'll also get their new higher 6-month bonus interest rate, along with their yield pledge promise that ensures your yield will always be in the top 5% of competitive accounts at banks nationwide. Open a new account or add to one. It's your choice. To qualify, you must meet balance and other limited time offer requirements. Go to everbank.com/TFNN for details and deposit options, or speak with one of their banking specialists at 1-855-750-4051 for more information. You must act by December 31st, 2015 to be eligible. Everbank is a member FDIC.